Welcome back, Monday, March 18th, 2024. Welcome back to the no, you're not getting in here. The continuing saga of the 93 Ford F250 4.96L and its problems. So, if you haven't been here before, we've got a new coil, plug, rotor, distributor, wires, spark plugs, map sensors, EGR valve, ICM and ignition control module, the one over here with the heat sink. We've cleaned out the throttle motor valve, or the throttle control valve, or throttle control motor. We cleaned that out really good. We've tested the throttle position sensor. It's good. All the vacuum lines are on it. It's all like 99.99% original. We're getting readings for the temperature. The temperature doesn't seem to be the problem, and it's still got its little miss and sputter and stutter. We did a major reset yesterday, or tried to, but it's still got the same thing. So, and I took off the ECM, the engine control module boot, and unplugged that and cleaned all the contacts in there. So the next thing is to pull the ECM out and actually open it up and take a look inside. So I already washed all the mud off of the fender down here, and I gotta turn the wheel and try to get in there and get that fender liner out, and then pull the ECM. So I don't know if I'll be able to make that all in one video, so stay tuned. Alright, so we got the fender liner loosener. You ever notice how some people say, to make a long story short, after they've been talking for 15 minutes, what is that? Oh, I gotta get that off. Oh, the other one I love is, I'm going to turn the camera off now, and I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to come back and turn the camera back on. So, alright, I got all the bolts out of this, top and bottom. 7/16 on these, 10 millimeter to get the plug out of there. And you may have noticed that I got all that done. Phew. While the camera was off, and I didn't have to explain it. So, what is there? This thing, come here. Ooh, it looks a little dirty. Come here, you. Oh, you're coming out of there. Ooh, there it is. Rebuilt by an, independent rebuilder, born on, I can't quite see the date. So, somebody's been into that. This has been replaced before. Rebuilt by an independent rebuilder. Well, that tells us a lot right there. I'm going to turn the camera off now, and I'm going to go do some other stuff. I'll be right back. I'll turn the camera back on. You'll get it. Oh, and one of Ford's better ideas. This must be when they first invented a Torx bit, because there's a Torx bit screw in there. Everything else on here is all different sizes. You got a 7 millimeter, you got a 7 32nd screws on the edge of your fender, and then you got a, 8 millimeter, I don't know, for the other ones with the washers on it, and then everything's just a jumble of different size fasteners. They kind of mixed it all up. Ford, better idea. They couldn't make up their mind, though, with fasteners. But the other intriguing part, I just turned the camera back on, if you noticed. I got to get a Torx bit, get these screws, but look how dirty that thing is. I'm pretty sure we're going to find some good times inside of there. Ain't scared. Alright, here we are in my time-traveling scientific computer lab reconstruction area, where I got some parts and stuff here. I don't know, whatever. And I got a broken meter here. It always reads -1. So if you hook that up and you get a reading, you know something's going on, because that's broke. Oh my goodness, look, there is some water on that too. I just noticed. I got one screw out. Uh-oh, I already lost that screw. Oh, there it is. Yeah, amazingly, I got a Torx bit. So let's get the other screw out of here, where you put the label over it. Take that out. All right, here it is the moment of truth. We're going to look inside the 1993 rebuilt. There it is. Alright, there's the three capacitors we're looking for. And I think these... Alright, they seem to be connected. So my mechanic said he never saw one of these go bad, but this one's already remanufactured. So if anybody knows anything about this, there's a good shot of everything. Yeah, I don't see any acid leaking through. Let me take a bottom cover off here. Alright, I said bottom cover, but that's a side cover. Just take a good look here. I'm not seeing anything terrible. A little bit of dirty stuff there. Might be losing some. I don't know. I gotta have my TV repair guy. I got an electronic repair guy who can take a look at this better. But it has been remanufactured. I'm going to try to look at the date on here. I can't. I got a phone number. That's good. But I can't read the date that it was. It was a born on. Oh, wait. 2005. December 5th, 2005. Okay, there. Check it out. I actually have. So I got a phone number and a date that this was remanufactured. 2005. So how many years is that? Ooh, 19 years. Ooh. Let's do the math. 93 to 2005. That's about 12 years, and then add another 12 onto that. That's 17. 20, and then another 7 onto this. So yes, a 23-year-old when they. And I thought, I just guesstimated the life expectancy of these would be about 10 to maybe 15 years at the most. And it's 12 years apparently, so I was exactly right. And this being 31 years old, or 17 years past that, 17 being 2 years past that, whatever, this is too damn old. But there it is, the inside of your 93 Ford F250 XL 4.9 liter 6L manual transmission engine control module inside. Looks like a little bit of watery stuff on there. I'm going to go over this thing real careful and give it to my electronic repair guy, have him take a peek at it. I can get a brand new. Flagship.com sells remanufactured ones, or I don't know, new ones, but they guarantee it. They'll fit it right to your the vehicle VIN number, vehicle identification number. That's what I'm trying to say. But I don't know. It looks pretty good. Not sure it works, but we'll see. Cut.